And to explain why this was such a stupid idea, we need to understand nuclear fusion. Nuclear fusion is when two or more atomic nuclei are combined to form another larger nucleus. However, for this reaction to actually happen, it requires extremely high temperatures, and as such, the only place this reaction naturally happens is in the core of stars, due to the intense heat and pressure they provide. But fusion bombs already exist on Earth using this same chemical reaction. So how do they manage to make it work? Let's explain this using the B-61 nuclear bomb, the one that I think this F-35 inspired plane is carrying. At the center of the B-61 is a core filled with deuterium and tritium, two isotopes of hydrogen that fuse relatively easily at high temperatures into helium. But there are two problems that need to be solved in order to undergo that reaction. Firstly, tritium is in short supply and decays very quickly. To fix this problem, the core of the bomb is filled with deuterium and lithium deuterate, which will become tritium during the reaction. The second problem that needs to be solved is that we need an immense amount of heat and pressure, which is where another type of nuclear reaction comes into effect. That reaction is nuclear fission. Fission is a process where a single neutron is shot at incredibly high speeds into a large atom to split it into several smaller atoms. This reaction results in the expulsion of even more high-speed neutrons, which go on to collide with even more atoms, creating a chain reaction of nuclear fission that releases massive amounts of energy in the form of X-rays. It's these X-rays that provide the sheer amount of heat that is necessary to begin the process of artificial nuclear fusion. The whole process goes a little something like this. A shell is created out of a non-reactive uranium material in order to resist the initial fission explosion. Inside the shell is the core of the bomb, which holds all of the deuterium and lithium deuterate, along with a thin plutonium rod in the center. When the bomb is deployed, fission reactions occur inside the bomb, giving off large amounts of X-rays that begin to heat the core of the bomb. The heat then causes the casing of the core to begin to expand and burn away. This in turn sends compressive shockwaves to the plutonium rod, which then cause it to start undergoing fission itself. The heat and radiation from the plutonium rod, combined with the pressure of the expanding core, cause the lithium deuterate to turn into tritium gas. And now that we have deuterium and tritium together, as well as extreme heat and pressure from the several fission explosions in this bomb, the two gases are able to fuse into helium, releasing astronomical amounts of energy and creating one of the largest explosions that mankind can produce, allowing you to unleash untold amounts of destruction at your whims.